Waste management is a growing global challenge with landfills overflowing and environmental pollution rising. However, instead of treating waste as a problem, what if we could turn it into a valuable resource? This is where waste to energy conversion comes in. Among the various methods available, biochemical processes such as anaerobic digestion and fermentation offer sustainable solutions to convert organic waste into useful energy sources like biogas and bioethanol. These processes rely on microorganisms to break down organic matter, producing renewable energy while also reducing waste volume and greenhouse gas emissions. Unlike incineration and gasification, biochemical methods operate at lower temperatures and are environmentally friendly, making them ideal for treating biodegradable waste from households, agriculture, and industries. With increasing energy demands and environmental concerns, biochemical waste to energy conversion is gaining attention as a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. In this discussion, we will explore how these processes work, their benefits, and their role in creating circular economy for a greener future.
Waste to energy is a technology that converts non-recyclable waste materials into usable energy such as electricity, heat, or fuel. This process helps reduce landfill waste while also generating energy that can be used in homes, industries, and power grids. The process begins with waste collection. Recyclable materials like plastics and metals are separated and the remaining waste is sent to waste-to-energy facility. There, it is processed using different methods like incineration, where the waste is burned to produce heat which generates electricity.
Anaerobic digestion is the natural process where tiny living organisms like bacteria break down organic waste without oxygen. This process happens in special tank called digester and produce useful things like biogas is a type of fluid and fertilizer. Process of anaerobic digestion. Process 1. Waste collection. Organic waste like food scrap, animal manure is collected and put into sealed tank. Second process, breaking down waste. Tiny bacteria start breaking down large waste particle into smaller one like sugar, acid and protein. Third process, gas production. More bacteria eat these smaller particles and release biogas which contain methane and carbon dioxide. Process 4. Energy and fertilizer production. The biogas can be used for cooking, electricity and eating. The leftover material is called digest, which can be used as fertilizer to grow crop, and anaerobic digestion helps us reduce waste, produce clean energy and protect the environment.
Fermentation, turning waste into biofuels. Did you know that organic waste like food scraps and agricultural residues can be turned into fuel? This is possible through fermentation, a biochemical process where microorganisms break down organic materials to produce biofuels like ethanol and butanol. How does it work? Fermentation happens in the absence of oxygen. Microorganisms such as yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, or bacteria, Clostridium species, feed on the sugars, starches, or cellulose in waste materials. As they consume these compounds, they release energy and produce biofuels. The process can be broken down into 3 key steps: pre-treatment, fermentation, distillation, and purification. Pre-treatment. Waste materials like crop residues, food waste, or sugarcane baggage are broken down into simple sugars using enzymes or heat. Fermentation. Microorganisms convert these sugars into bioethanol or biobutanol through metabolic reactions. Distillation and purification. The produced biofuel is separated from water and other byproducts to be used as an alternative to the fossil fuel. Why is this important? Fermentation helps reduce waste, lower greenhouse gas emissions, and provides a renewable energy resource. Bioethanol can be blended with gasoline to fuel vehicles, making transportation more sustainable. By using fermentation, we are not just managing waste, but we are creating cleaner energy for better future.
Real-world application of biogas plants, wastewater treatment, and biofuel cars. Biogas plants. Biogas plants are a shining example of biotechnology potential. These facilities utilize microbial anaerobic digestion to convert organic waste into renewable energy. By the power of microorganisms, biogas plants reduce greenhouse gas emission and on fossil fuels. This innovative approach promotes sustainable energy production while minimizing environmental harms. Wastewater treatment. Wastewater treatment rely heavily on biotechnology to remove pollutants and contaminants from water. Microorganisms play a role in breaking down organic matter, enabling the efficient treatment of wastewater. This process ensures cleaner waterways, safeguards public health, and protects aquatic ecosystem. Biofuel cars. Biofuel cars are the transportation sector. By utilizing microorganisms to convert biomass into sustainable fuel, microbes like bacteria and yeast are engineered to produce biofuels like ethanol and biodiesel. These eco-friendly fuels offer a cleaner alternative to fossil fuels, reducing greenhouse gas emission and climate change.
The microbial fuel cells power for bacteria. Did you know bacteria can generate electricity? Where tiny microbes helps us produce power. What is an microbial fuel cell? A microbial fuel cell is a device that used bacteria to break down organic matter and generate electricity. It's like a mini power plant run by microbes. How does it work? Inside a microbial fuel cell, bacteria consume organic material and release electrons. These electrons travel through an electrode, creating an electric current that results as clean and sustainable energy.
Conclusion: biochemical waste to energy conversion offers a sustainable and eco-friendly way to manage organic waste while generating renewable energy. Processes like anaerobic digestion and fermentation not only produce valuable fuels like biogas and bioethanol toward a more sustainable future, one where waste is no longer a burden but a valuable resource for clean energy production. The time to act is now, turning waste into wealth and pollution into power. Thank you.
Dr. M. Chandrakala ma'am, thank you for your constant support and encouragement.